Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. They are made out of 8/0 beads, 11/0 seed beads and a crystal in the middle. You could skip the crystal and you will still have good looking earrings, and you could make them smaller or bigger, vary with colors, and you will have so beautiful creations. So if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. If you're new here, consider subscribing and check out my next upcoming videos. And now I'm gonna start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm using two colors of 8/0 beads, two colors of 11/0 seed beads, crystals, teardrop crystals, you could skip them if you want, and I'm using ear wires, I'm using size 10 beading needle, use beading thread of your choice. Here I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use scissors, but I'm using these cutters to cut closer to my work, and it's not obligatory, but you could use these flat nose pliers to squeeze your monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. And now I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 6 seed beads of this 8/0. Okay, and I have these 6 on my needle, and I'm going to slide them down. Okay, I will stick my needle in my mat, and I'm going to make a knot here. Okay, I'm making a loop and going through this loop twice with my tail thread, and then I'm going to pull. Okay, and when I pull I have this. Okay, I want to go through some beads here in this direction, and I want to take one red bead, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, I want to go through the opposite one, exactly through the opposite. So here I have 2 beads and 2 beads, and this is the opposite, and I'm going in the same direction where my thread is originally pointing to. So I'm pulling, I'm fixing my bead here in the center of my work, and this is what I have. I have this beautiful flower. Okay, and now I will go through this seed bead, and what I want to do is take 5 8/0s, and I have my 5 here, and what I'm doing is that I'm going back in circle. Why I'm not taking 6? Because this one from my previous element is my 6th one, and I'm pulling. Now I have this, I have this, my second circle of beads, and I will go one more time around it, reinforcing it. Okay, and I want to exit here from this side bead, and I will take one more red bead, and what I'm doing is that I'm going through the opposite one here in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, so when I pull I have my second element ready. Okay, and I'm going through the next silver, and I'm going to repeat this. I need 5 seed beads. Okay, 5. I'm going in circle back through the same bead I'm exiting out of. This is what I have. Now reinforce. And now I'm going through this opposite bead here in that direction. Okay, now I'm going through this bead and I'm gonna continue this 5. Okay, I have 5, going back in circle through this one here, and one more time reinforcing. Okay, and I'm taking 1 8/0. I'm going in the same direction through the opposite bead, in the same direction where my thread is originally pointing to, and this is what I have. Now guys, I'm going to continue doing this, and when I have 14 elements, I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and as I continue beading, now I have 14 elements. Check them out, okay? Now what I want to do is connect those 2 elements like that, okay? So in order to do this, I will take one more red bead and I will go through this silver bead here, just like that. Okay, and now what I want to do is go back through this central bead here of this flower, then back through these 2 beads, and this is what I want to do. Then I'm going through this central bead here, back through these 3 beads. Okay, and when I pull, this is what I have. Okay, and I want to make one more thread bridge, so I'm going one more time back through these 2 beads, then through the central one and back through this one here in circle. This way I'm making this red bead stay in the center here and not having a hole down there. Okay, then I'm going through this silver one here, and what I need to add is one more silver, and I'm going back through the next 2 silvers. Okay, and this one should stay here in the center. Okay, now what I want to do is exit here at this silver between my 2 flowers, and here I want to take 2 11/0 seed beads and go through this hole here. Okay, then I'm gonna take 2 more. Okay, and I'm going through the next 2 beads, then again 2, and I'm going through the following 2, and I will repeat this until the end of this circle here, and I'll be back when I'm up to here and I will show you what's coming up next. Okay, and now I went around all of my work here, and I'm here at the end where I will also take 2 beads and go through this central one. Then I will take 2 more and I will go through the next, and this is what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go here and I will show you how to attach your crystal and then how to attach your ear wire. Okay, and as I'm exiting from here, what I want to do is reach at the center of my earring, and there I want to add my crystal. Okay, I'm gonna exit here at this bit. Okay, and as I'm exiting out of here, I want to take 3 seed beads and I want to take my crystal and slide it down. then 3 more. Here they are. Back through this and through all of those 3 beads, and I'm pulling. Now I was originally coming out of this bead, and now what I want to do is go through this one to the other side. This way I will have a new thread path, and my crystal will stay exactly in the center of my work, what I want to achieve. And now I'm exiting here through this red one, and I want to reach here the center where I will attach my ear wire. And what I want to take here is 1 seed bead, my ear wire, and then again 1 seed bead. So this is what I have on my needle, and I will go back through this silver one here, and I'm pulling. And pay attention how I am attaching my ear wire, because this is the front side and this is the back side, and I want the front side to be in front of my work. Okay, and now I'm going to reinforce this part here. I will do this off camera. I will do this several more times, and then I will be back to show you how to make your knots at the back of your earring. Okay guys, and I repeated this step several more times, and now I want to go here at the back of my work and I want to make some knots. So here I will go through some beads. I will find a thread bridge to use, make a loop, and then go once and go second time through the same loop I've made, and I'm going to pull. Then guys, repeat this several more times. Continue doing more and more knots, and when you're ready, cut your thread. Okay guys, and when I cut my thread and I repeated all this process one more time, this is what I have. I have a pair of beautiful earrings. They are made only out of 8 O's and 11 O's, and I put the crystal inside, but you could skip the crystal and leave them like that if you don't have it. And you could make them smaller, bigger, whatever you like. So if you like what I'm doing here and you're new to this channel, it's a good idea to subscribe. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, like, share and comment, and I will answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.